Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Autocad. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glide Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss about how to do dimensioning in Autocad, and in the next video tutorial I will discuss about dimension style. So if you go to your annotation tab here, you can see this is the symbol of dimension, and if you bring your mouse here, you can see some arrow is there and you can see different types of dimensioning here. One is linear, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate and jogged. So I will discuss each one. So I will start with linear dimensioning. So I have drawn some basic objects, and you should be careful, and it is very important to know all these dimensioning methods. So I'm going to select this linear here, and if you select this linear dimension, it is asking specify first extension line, origin or select object. So first I am going to show you, I am going to select this first extension line. So I want to take from left to right dimension of this length. So I'm going to select this first extension line, and now it is asking specify second extension line origin. So I'm going to select this one, and now I will bring upwards, and you can see this is the length 20 feet. And I will also show you how to change the text height and leaders in the next video tutorial, but for timing you need to understand how to take linear dimension. So next again I am going to select this linear, or you can type shortcut command for this is dim linear here. And now I am going to select object, so I will enter, and now I will select this part of width and I will bring upwards, and you can see this is 10 feet width. Likewise you can again type dim linear shortcut command, and you can take another measurement here, and again you can also enter a space on your keyboard, so it will take you to the previous command, that is linear dimensioning, and you can take this dimension as well. So this is the use of dim linear or linear dimension in AutoCAD. So suppose this is another example, and in which it will use this dimension to take the measurement of this angular length. I will show you. I am going to enter or select this dim linear here, and now I am going to select this and first extension line, and now I am going to select this second extension line, and if I am taking measurement, it is showing only horizontal dimension, but it's not showing this angular dimension. So for this you have to select the next dimensioning method, that is aligned, dim aligned. The shortcut command is also given here, dim aligned. So I'm going to select this dim aligned, and now I'm going to place my first extension line and the next extension line here, and I can take this measurement like this. So this is the dim aligned, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to enter dim LE, so dim aligned, enter, and now I will enter once again, and now I will select this object, and you can directly take the measurement. So this is the process of taking dim aligned dimension. So you can use this dimension where your length is at angular or width is at angle, so you can use this method. So I'm going to delete this one, and now we will understand the next command, that is angular dimensioning. So it creates an angular dimension. So if I want to take a dimension of this angle, so I will go here and use dim angular, or you can also use shortcut command for this, and this is 51 degree, and I will give a space bar here, and you can see this is the 51° dim angular. So I can also write shortcut command dim angular, and you can take the measurement. So now I will go to next here. This is for arc length, so it creates an arc length dimension. So suppose if I want to take the dimension of this arc here, so I will just select this arc length, and I will select this arc of this circle or any design. You can take the dimension of this arc length. So next is radius. So it creates a radius dimension for a circle or an arc. So if I want to take radius of this circle, I will select this, and then it is asking select arc or circle. So I am going to select this arc, and it is telling the radius of this arc, that is 10 feet 2 inches. So you can click, and it will give your radius of this arc. And if you want to take it for circle, I am going to select again this radius, and now I am going to select this circle here, and it is 10 feet. So radius is 10 feet. So you can click anywhere and you can take the radius of this circle also. So next command is diameter. So if you want to take diameter of any circle or an arc, you can select this diameter, and I am going to select this circle, and you can see this is the diameter 20 feet, and you can click anywhere and it will give you diameter. So suppose if I want to take diameter of this, I will click a space bar on my keyboard, and it will take to my previous dimension, that is diameter, and I will select this arc, and it is giving the diameter of this arc. So you can take likewise, you can use. So I will move to my next dimensioning, that is ordinate. So it will bring this, so it gives ordinate dimension. So the XYZ direction, it gave ordinate dimensions. So it is useful sometimes. So if I am going to click, and now it is asking a specify feature location. So suppose I am going to specify this end point here, and now it is telling a specify leader end point. So I am going to select this X datum, and now I will click once, and it will give you ordinate dimension here. So it is not that much useful for your project, so you will use the above dimensioning methods. So next is jogged. So if you bring your mouse here, jogged, it creates jogged dimension for circle and arc. And so I am going to select this, and now it is asking jogged select arc or circle. So if I am going to select this arc here, and now it is asking specify center location override. So I am going to select this center location override, and now it is asking m text. So I am going to enter m text here, and I am going to rename this radius outer. Enter, click once, and you can do this jog dimensioning in arc or circle. Now I will show you how to do continuous dimensioning in AutoCAD. So I am going to this rectangle command again, and again I am going to draw any different shape here, and I will use my line command. And again I am going to give offset here 20 feet, and L command here. Again I am going to make of another length here, and it is not a straight line, so we make it straight. Use fillet to trim this off. Now I am going to my annotate tab here, and you can see this term here, linear dimensioning, and this is the continuous dimensioning. So if I am going to select this, and I am going to select this dimension here, linear, and I am going to take a dimension here of this rectangle here, and now I am going to my annotate tab, and I will select this is the continuous dimension. So I want to take continuous dimension. I will select this, and this dimension will be continued till wherever your object or planning ends, and you can use this to save your time, or else you can take one by one dimensioning of this. So sometimes this continuous dimensioning is very handy when you are working in your architectural project, working drawing, so it will save a lot of time. So likewise you can use these dimensioning techniques in your project. So this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next section I will come with dimension and style in AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.